Welcome to today's luxurious episode of Everything is Luxury, where we're about to uncover 20 intriguing facts about the enchanting city of London that you probably didn't know. So, if you're ready to dive into the depths of London's history, culture, and hidden gems, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with fellow luxury enthusiasts, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Now, let's embark on this journey of discovery. Fact 1. London's cultural tapestry is woven with the threads of diversity, as its 8 million residents converse in over 300 languages, including Bengali, Punjabi, and more. Fact 2. The iconic landmark often referred to as Big Ben is formally known as the Clock Tower, while Big Ben actually pertains to its bell. Fact 3. Contrary to a common misconception, it's not illegal to die in the Houses of Parliament. However, entering while wearing armor is prohibited. Fact 4. The identity of Jack the Ripper, London's notorious serial killer, remains shrouded in mystery, with various suspects including Prince Albert and Sir William Gull. Fact 5. London suffered immensely during the 15th century Great Plague, with its cramped streets and sanitation issues contributing to the devastation that claimed 25 million lives across Europe. Fact 6. To ensure protection, Charles II stationed 6 ravens at the Tower of London, each with a clipped wing and a spare feather in case of escape. Fact 7. The initial concept for the London Underground proposed water-filled tunnels with barges or horse carriages, but trains ultimately became the chosen mode of transportation. Fact 8. Despite the colossal scale of the Great Fire of London, only 6 deaths were officially recorded. Fact 9. London, a city of imperial grandeur, played a role in shaping borders for countries like Syria, Iraq, Pakistan, India, and Israel. Fact 10. The city's name has evolved over time from Londinium to Ludenich and Ludenberg, ultimately deriving from the Celtic term, Londinus, signifying boldness. Fact 11. London's architectural marvels house over 170 museums, including renowned establishments like the British Museum, National Gallery, and Imperial War Museum. Fact 12. The Tower of London houses 6 resident ravens, upholding a superstitious tradition that their presence protects the kingdom. Fact 13. The ancient core of London, the City of London, spans only 1.12 square miles, making it the smallest county in England with deep-rooted history dating back to Roman times. Fact 14. Greenwich, home to the Royal Observatory, is the reference point for 0 degrees longitude and Greenwich Mean Time, GMT, with origins predating Coordinated Universal Time. Fact 15. London's Underground, inaugurated in 1863, was the world's first underground railway network, forever changing urban transportation. Fact 16. The 17th century saw London ravaged by diseases like the Great Plague and the devastating Great Fire, which began in a Pudding Lane bakery. Fact 17. London once reigned as the world's largest city from 1831 to 1925, with its population peaking at 7,419,000 in 1914 before being overtaken by New York. Fact 18. London endured the harrowing bombings of both World Wars, especially the Blitz and World War II, resulting in extensive destruction and loss of life. Fact 19. London houses the world's smallest statue, depicting mice eating cheese, commemorating builders who squabbled over a meal that mice had consumed. Fact 20. Amidst all its captivating facets, the exact origins of London's name remain shrouded in mystery. And there you have it, 20 captivating facts about London that are sure to leave you amazed. If you found these facts as intriguing as we did, remember to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow luxury aficionados, and make sure you're subscribed so you never miss out on more captivating content. Thank you for joining us in today's luxurious exploration of London's history and secrets.